So what do you think? We're only out of gram, huh?
No, 0.1 gram.
0.1 gram.
That's a tenth of a gram.
Tenth of a gram.
Yeah.
There you are, Mike.
The weight of a dollar bill is a gram.
Is it really?
Yeah, so split that up 10 times.
Not too bad, huh?
No, that'll work.
I think we did. How many grams out? 8 grams.
8.
That's bad, isn't it?
That was a fourth. So that's the weight of 8 grams all in one spot, and that's what you feel.
That's what beats bearings out. When you weigh these, you bounce them end to end, right?
Mm-hmm.
So after you're done end to end,
yeah,
then you weigh them to see if they all come out the same weight.
What I do is
I
match all my small ends, so they're all the same, and I do all my big ends, so those are all the same. And then once that's all done, I just put them back on the scale and just check, and they're all the same.
Came out.
Yep.
They all came out right on the money.
Yep.
So now we go to the flywheel, and then we'll be done. Measurements are in and we're ready to go. Be interesting to see how far this is out, huh? 6.7 grams? It's good enough, do we? Yeah, 6.7 just ain't good enough.
Nope.
I'll tell you what, it makes a big difference when you get it right on. Couple drill holes to lighten it up, get it on. I think that flywheel's good enough, don't you?